Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing WhatsApp tips and tricks that most people still don't know about. These features will help you chat smarter, make conversations more fun, and improve your overall WhatsApp experience. So make sure to watch the video until the end. Did you know that you can send quick video messages directly inside WhatsApp? Here's how. Open any WhatsApp chat. Tap the microphone icon once. It will turn into a camera icon. Now press and hold the camera icon to record your video. Once you release your finger, the video message will be sent instantly. This feature is perfect for quick reactions, funny moments, fast video replies. Now WhatsApp also allows you to share your phone screen during video calls. Here's how to use it. Start a video call with someone. Once the call connects, tap the screen share icon. Then tap Start Now or Share Screen. Now the other person will be able to see everything happening on your screen. This is super useful for teaching someone, showing settings or apps, helping friends remotely. You can now create your own stickers directly from WhatsApp. Here's how. Open any chat, tap the emoji/sticker icon, then tap Create. Now choose any photo from your gallery. WhatsApp will automatically remove the background and turn your image into a custom sticker. You can also add emojis, add text, resize and customize the sticker. This makes your chats way more fun and personal. These WhatsApp features are incredibly useful and can completely improve the way you use WhatsApp every day. So try them out and let me know which tip was your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your favorite tip, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Hunter for more useful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.